So what I want to do is just give Mar audio so that he can overlay whenever, because I don't need it to be like an 8-minute video. I need it to be like really short, and I give applicable things, and so the B-roll is me like layering.
So just want to know the dishes that you want, how you're going to kind of stylize it, and then when all the food's ready, martini glass usually. Like
a margarita?
Yeah, when you order a frosty margarita, they put it in those like,
oh,
like cosmopolitan, you know, usually it's...
All right.
If you don't like those glasses, I don't want to shoot them, so.
No, I love those glasses. I just, like, does that feel Cinco de Mayo? Like it's a really fancy Cinco de Mayo. It becomes, these are the anchors, that's fine. So then what I want is like,
Actually, you know what? If that's going to be too hard to style some like more chill, more casual plates, let's start with the plates. I mean, honestly.
Okay.
Yes,
what?
or Cinco de Mayo. It's on April 2nd and we're doing Cinco de Mayo. Yes.
I don't think I want to shoot it as a lay flat. I want to shoot at an angle. I'm pretty sure I want to shoot at an angle because I want it to feel like a lifestyle photo and less of a styled photo.
Outside?
No, I think I can use this window and then just bring in a reflector and then give it like a home kind of like vibey feel. So we'll have a white background. This light is actually really, really, really nice right now. We'll clear all of this out so that I get a clear shot. And then I know you're gonna be cooking.
But I'll be done.
Yeah. Okay, so can you get me the, oh, this is so pretty. Can you get me the whiteboard so that I can reflect? What's my time frame? Like if you were to start tacos now.
I can make tacos within 5 minutes. It takes me 5 minutes.
Okay, then let's get that party started. I'm gonna shoot a set of 3. Tacos, margaritas, tacos and margaritas. That means we have to work so fast. Yeah, so then probably the tacos go first, right? Because I'm worried about the margaritas melting.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Are we good?
Yeah.
Sweet. Scoot over to the frame booth. Yeah.
Whatever you need, just tell me.
I need you to love me unconditionally.
Yes.
And I need you to think I'm amazing. I need you to not complain when I get very stressed and high maintenance when I'm shooting. Jay, which one do you think?
I like that one.
Okay, cool. So when I talk about creating layers, I'm really just adding the plates, a part of a napkin, cups, and then I may add cutlery just to kind of shape the photo up, but I won't know what I'm shooting until I actually get all the details in place. What I do know is that the light that's coming in here is really beautiful. I'm gonna bring a whiteboard and I'm gonna create this little pocket of light so that I can shoot things exactly how I want them. I just need to time everything. I need to time everything because I'm worried about the margaritas melting. Maybe, but I don't know. Do you think we have to? About the margaritas coming out yellow enough? And I shouldn't have. Need to learn not to doubt. Okay.
That's exactly what I'm going to do.
And then move them, okay. Oh my God, I have my stress voice on right now. Oh, they smell really good. How many works? So when we talk about layers, I want to make sure that we have the cup, the tacos, the plate, then the napkin. Getting the skewer in this photo 1000%. But the colors are what actually work really well. Remove remove that top one.
Got it. You got it. You're good.
And then remove this cilantro that looks, this one right here that has the stem out the back. Okay. Margarita on the rocks, and then I think we have some Pacifico, so.
Which one do you think? I think a beer would be nice.
Okay.
Instead of.
What if we, actually, let's do tacos by themselves. Let's do tacos by themselves, and then, let's do tacos by themselves for people who don't drink. And then we'll add, okay.
Mark will have it.
Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to move a background. This is like a very heavy marble table, and I'm gonna move it towards this window because I want it to be lit from behind, and then I'll bring in some other light in front of it with using a whiteboard. Can I get one? No. This looks a little sad.
I know I can cut it.
This isn't right. I can tell it's not right. Something's like this is not working. Like they look like radish tacos. I feel like let's just rethink the way that this is looking. Some sort. All right, Mars. Just a tortilla and then just take what's in here. Leave the skewer through. This I'll save for the beard. Okay. Tip number 5 is using less food than necessary. In the last frame that we shot, we did 3 tacos, and this one we'll just do 2, because sometimes it's more of a statement when you could use less food and just focus on the main thing. Keep the main thing, the main thing.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh, thank God. Okay. We owe you a gift certificate for tacos. Thank God.
Hey, it looks good.
Okay, we need to be real. We tried many different iterations of this photo. Like, so often on social media, it looks like really pretty and perfect, and people don't know all the stuff that went behind the scenes to make it happen. It is not always pretty, but the end result is so worth it, which is why I'm so passionate about creating this content so that my social curator subscribers don't have to. They can simply open up their catalog and see that there's gonna have plenty of photos for them to join the social conversation for Cinco de Mayo, and post photos that they really like along the way. It was all worth it at the end of the day.